Living lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay.
All right, you guys, starting off with some browns from the Morphe 35R palette. I don't know these specific shades. Should have showed them, but I didn't. So I'm just basically starting with lighter browns and slowly getting to the dark browns before I get to the black. As you'll see, we slowly get darker and darker. So I'm just taking those shades in the 35R palette. It's the Morphe 35R palette. Again, I will have it linked down below in the description bar in case you're interested. I love Morphe palettes, and they're super good for beginners who are learning eyeshadow or want to do eyeshadow, and they're also great for makeup artists who wants to have different palettes for their kits. I highly recommend Morphe palettes. There's so many colors and different palettes with different shades. I just love them. So now, as you can see, I'm slowly getting darker. This is a dark brown eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. Then there's an even darker brown that I think that I apply after this. Yeah, I apply even darker brown after this because I was just trying to slowly see how it was going to look once I added the black. But it kind of turned into a disaster really quick. See, now I'm showing you the super dark brown. This almost basically looks black. But it's not that. Actually, you know what? I take that back. This is actually black from the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. Is the color black, which I think is decadent. As you can see, if you don't apply gel liner for black eyeshadows, they will not, I mean for black smoky eyes, it will not be black. It'll be like almost gray, as you can see. And then I just have to keep blending because I didn't want any harsh edges. So it's literally just me going back and forth between the browns and then the black eyeshadow and the black gel liner, as you see me applying now. This is what you need to do in order to make your eyeshadows, your black smoky eyes, black. I don't know why there's no black eyeshadows that appear super dark. There's just not. I have not found one yet. So if you really want a dark smoky eye, you have to apply some type of gel liner that's easily smudgeable. So get some type of smudge liner. This is from NYX, just a black eyeliner / smudger. I love this stuff for my wing eyeliner, and I also like to put it on the bottom lash line, but I honestly wish I hadn't did that for this tutorial because it looked better before I added the lower lash line liner, but we're just gonna skip that. Now I'm going over my eyes again with the same black. Just gonna keep adding it and blending, adding and blending, adding and blending. That's really all a smoky eye is until you get it to the blackness and blending that you want to. I actually kind of gave up, honestly, because I had somewhere that I needed to be. I totally could have done a lot better, but this was my first time doing a smoky eye using some type of gel liner, so it's not horrible, but it didn't come out exactly how I wanted. Now I'm going in with my normal routine, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. I did not expect to like this primer as much as I have. I have completely just started using this every day when I wear foundation. Like, it's just so amazing. And like I said, I don't know if it does anything as far as filling in lines and stuff, and pores. Like, it doesn't make my pores disappear or nothing, but it does make my foundation apply so good. So that I do know. I just don't know exactly. I wouldn't say that it fills in pores or whatever. I got my Benefit Professional for that. But I really like this stuff. It's only like $3. It's at Dollar General, it's at Walmart, so you can pretty much find it anywhere. Y'all already know what foundation this is, so there's no need for me to even, well, if you're new, it's the Infallible Pro Matte in Soft Sable. The only color that I use, this is like the first foundation I've found that actually matches me to a T. Like, this stuff matches perfectly. Like, it's not something that's super bright and you gotta pray that it oxidizes or gets darker as you wear it. Like, this stuff is perfect. Like, it just blends right in flawlessly, and the way that it sets is flawless. You barely don't even need setting powder. Now I'm using my Better Skin concealer. I like this concealer, but I probably won't buy it again because I actually found a dupe to the Shape Tape, which I'm going to be doing a video on. I've never actually bought the Shape Tape, but I have used it in the store, and I swear this stuff is the exact same. Just going in with some more just to make sure it's as highlighted as I want it to be. Then I'm just blending out the edges so I can get rid of any harsh white lines. Now you're going to see me get my normal contouring color by LA Girl, Dark Cocoa, same old, same old. I don't think I showed that. Actually, you know what? I didn't do that in this video. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup. This is my Holy Grail setting powder. I ended up taking back the other setting powder I had did, the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. It had a horrible flashback and it made me look ashy. Even though I loved it, set my makeup so pretty, it made me really ashy. But anyway, I'm going in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the Sun Dipped. I'm using the color in the bottom right. It was super bright. It was actually kind of a little too white for my skin complexion, but whatever, I just made it work. But that's what I used for that. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. This is my first time really doing a super dark smoky eye. The last smoky eye I did, I just used black eyeshadow, which didn't even get really black. But this time I actually decided to go in with the NYX eyeliner gel, which is also used for like a smudger slash eyeliner slash, you know, smoky eye tool. So I decided to use that, and I really don't know how I feel about it. I guess it's not so bad for my first time. So if you're a beginner trying to do a smoky eye, I hope that you could follow along with this video. Hopefully it was pretty easy for you to follow along. All I basically did was add the brown shades, which could be any brown shades you want to be, any type of transition colors, and then black eyeshadow, and then I put gel eyeliner on top and just kept blending between the gel eyeliner blend and then more gel eyeliner blend and then black eyeshadow on top and just more blending. I think it could be blended a little bit better, but like I said, it's my first time, so I'm trying not to be too hard on myself. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my fashion, beauty, lifestyle / travel blog. I keep saying vlog, I don't know why I want to say that, but don't forget to check that out, and I will leave that link down here so you guys can see, and I'll also have it in the description bar so you can just click on it and go right over there. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.